Hello guys, welcome to Roadmap. I hope you're doing well today. So, we are going to learn about Science NCERT Class 7. Our today's topic is Nutrition and Plants. The subtopics which we are going to deal are types of nutrition, nutrition in non-green plants, replenishment of nutrients in soil. Now, we eat everyday food. Our food contains fats, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates. These are called as nutrients. And these are required for growth and development. So this process is called as nutrition. Now what is cell? Cell is a fundamental unit of life. In living organism, our body contains cells. Cells are so tiny that we have to observe it under microscope. The components of cell are cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus membrane, nucleus and ribosomes. At the center of the cell, nucleus is present, which is surrounded by nucleus membrane. The mitochondria, which are the powerhouse of the cell, and cell is enclosed in cell membrane. The jelly-like substance is called as cytoplasm. Now, what are the types of nutrition? There are two types of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Organisms produce their own food from simple inorganic substances. This mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. These organisms are called as autotrophs, and as they produce their own food, they are called as producers. Now, what is photosynthesis? Plants produce their food in presence of sunlight. This process is called as photosynthesis. Green plants take carbon dioxide from air and absorb water from soil. They convert this into glucose and oxygen with the help of energy derived from sun. They contain a green pigment which is called as chlorophyll. It is present in leaves. Carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, minerals and chlorophyll are necessary for photosynthesis. Now what is importance of photosynthesis? It is required to make food for plants. It is primary source of food production for living organisms in the world. It maintains balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Now what is heterotrophic nutrition? Animals and non-green plants like fungi cannot manufacture their own food. So they have to depend on green plants directly or indirectly. Hence they are called as heterotrophs and the mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic. Now animal categories on eating habits. Carnivores, herbivores and omnivores are the three categories. Carnivores are the animals which eat flesh like lion. Herbivores are the animals which eat plants, example elephant, and omnivores are the animals which eat plant as well as animals, example man. Now what are heterotrophic plants? Parasitic plants, saprophytic plants, insectivorous plants and symbiotic plants are the heterotrophic plants. Parasitic plants, they live on other animals and derive food from them. Example, dodo. Dodo produces sucking roots called as hostria. Saprophytic plants, they live on dead or decaying organic matter. Example, fungi and bacteria. Insectivorous plants, they depend upon other organisms for some nutrients. Example, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, Drosera. Symbiotic plants, there is partnership between two organisms where they get benefited from each other. Example, lichen. Lichen is a combination of algae and fungi. Replenishment of nutrients in soil is done by applying fertilizers. Example, urea, potassium nitrate, superphosphate, amorphous. It is also done by adding cattle dung manure, by adding compost, by growing leguminous crops, example, peas and beans. So I hope you like the video and you can give your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.